not a kid. You don't have...
Right. I don't have to. I just want to. Okay, boss says no one gets past. And it's... moves, shoot it.
Oracle.
That's not...
I know. The direct approach is suicide. I need to be smart. Find a different way past him.
So is the bat really coming this way?
Who cares? He's taking the room when we blow it off.
Yeah, he's a dead man walking.
No problem, boss. The boys are just finishing off. The Arkham chumps never stood a chance.
Well, good. Our friendly neighbor. Oh, look who it is. The pointy ears burning. I suppose I better warn my boys you're on the way. Nice surprise. Joker here with a quick update on what's new in the asylum. Some idiot is running around the asylum dressed like a bat. I know! Crazy! Stop him before he gets someone hurt. Really, it's for his own good.
Better not try and mess with us.
Did you really think it was gonna be that easy, Bats? I've sent a few more of my boys your way. Let's see how you deal with these,
Joker wants him found. Spread out.
He could be anywhere.
Then keep your eyes open. Now move.
Oh, boo! You win again, Bats. I'll savor it. I'll get you next time.
Joker must have figured out how I was tracking Gordon. Officer Bowles' trail stops here.
Yes, it is I, Edward Nigma, the Riddler. And more importantly, your intellectual superior. My genius has allowed me to easily hack into your primitive communications. My goal is simple. You complete a series of amusingly taxing challenges and, well, you'll see. Ready for your first one? Good. But be careful. Don't cut yourself on this sharply observed portrait. So you did it! Well done! I would have expected a child to work that one out, let alone the world's greatest detective.
Batman! Over here! I saw you clear the room!
It was a massacre. Two of my...
Was
Thought he was. I had...
Bowles is dead.
Good. You...
apologize for this interruption to our regular broadcast. Jack Ryder is live from the Gotham Bay area with some breaking news.
This is Jack Ryder with breaking news in the Gotham Bay. We're getting reports of an armed siege on Arkham Island. 2 minutes ago, Joker broadcast to all...
What?
The Batman's car is still parked just outside the intensive treatment building.
The tunnel's locked down. No one...
It's
Yeah?
Leave us, can we? Every thug, villain, murderer, and kindergarten teacher that isn't carrying out armed orders should head there now and smash it empty.
Oracle. Disable the Batmobile.
I saw the alert. What's wrong?
I'm outside the Arkham Men.
Okay, done. The...
Thanks, Oracle.
I can't believe it.
Stay with your colleague.